Module 1, Quiz 3, Lessons 9 through 12, Adding, Subtracting, and Multiplication. Number 1, 1,986 plus 769. Number 2, 56 and 83 hundredths minus 7 and 48 hundredths. Number 3, 5,801 minus 9 and 4 tenths. Number 4, 7 and 15 hundredths plus 455 thousandths plus 10 and 7 tenths. Number 5, Edward is training for a marathon. He ran his first mile in 12.56 minutes and his second mile in 12.98 minutes. What is his combined time for his first 2 miles? Again, what is his combined time for his first 2 miles? Number 6, Sarah bought a loaf of bread for $3.28 and a gallon of milk for $4.50. How much more did the milk cost? Again, how much more did the milk cost? Number 7, Brad's backpack weighs 1 2/10 pounds. His math textbook weighs 3 75 hundredths pounds, and his science textbook weighs 2 85 hundredths pounds. How much will his backpack weigh with the math and science textbooks in it? Again, how much will his backpack weigh with the math and science textbooks in it? The first thing you need to do is estimate your numbers. After you estimate your numbers, figure out how much his backpack will weigh with the math and science textbooks in it using your estimated numbers. The second thing you need to do is use the numbers that they give you and find the actual solution. So if I use the numbers they give me, how much would his backpack weigh with the math and science textbooks in it? Make sure you use the actual numbers in the word problem. The next part of this question asks you to explain how you would use your estimate to check the reasonableness of your answer. So again, how could you use your estimate to help you check the reasonableness of your actual answer? Number 8, Monica bought a skirt for $14.50 and a hat for $12.25. If she gives the cashier $40, how much change should she receive? Show your work to support your answer. This question is worth 2 points because it requires 2 steps. First, you need to figure out how much she spent on the skirt and the hat, and then you need to figure out how much change she should receive if she gives the cashier $40. So again, this question is 2 steps. Make sure you show your work for both steps. Number 9, Uniontown Trail is 1 3/100 kilometers shorter than Hartville Trail. Greentown Trail is 5/10 of a kilometer longer than Hartville Trail. Fill in the missing information in the table below. Part B says Greg walked the Uniontown Trail every day for a week. How many kilometers did he walk? Add or subtract. Number 10. 6/10 minus 2/10 equals how many tenths? Number 11, 5 tenths plus 7 tenths equals how many tenths? And then how many ones would that be? And how many tenths would that be? Number 12, 7 tenths plus 6 thousandths equals how many thousandths? If you're not sure, try writing it as a decimal. Number 13, 8 ones, 3 tenths, minus 5 ones equals how many ones, how many tenths? Write an equation and then write the product or your answer in standard form. Number 14, 4 times 7 tenths equals what? Make sure you write the equation and your answer. Number 15, 5 times 3 hundredths. Again, write your equation and the answer. 16, 4 tenths times 5. Write the equation and your answer. Use the area model to solve for the product or answer of each problem. This question is worth 3 points. It is 4 times 3 and 25 hundredths. Choose the reasonable product or answer for each expression. Number 18, 5 and 7 tenths times 8. Remember, you can use estimation to help you. Number 19, 6 times 1 and 345 thousandths. Again, remember that you can use estimation to help you. Number 20, 8 and 45 hundredths times 4. Number 21, choose one of the 3 above and explain your reasoning for your answer choice. So choose one of these 3 and show or explain how you got your answer. Number 22, Justin wants to make fruit punch for a party using the recipe below. So his fruit punch recipe has 1 and 25 hundredths liters of orange juice, 2 and 5 tenths liters of cranberry juice, and 2 liters of ginger ale. He will make 4 times the amount of fruit punch listed on the recipe. What is the total amount of fruit punch in liters that Justin will make? Again, he will make 4 times the amount of fruit punch listed on the recipe. What is the total amount of fruit punch in liters that Justin will make? Number 23, movie tickets cost $8.50 and a large order of popcorn cost $6.75. What is the total cost of 5 movie tickets and 1 large order of popcorn? So again, movie tickets cost $8.50 each, and a large order of popcorn costs $6.75 each. What is the total cost of 5 movie tickets and 1 large order of popcorn?